Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pythonetic Care. Today I have brought another session on Tkinter Widget. So today I will show you how can we create list box in a Tkinter frame. Previously we have seen how to create text box or scrolled text box in a Tkinter frame, but today we'll see how to create list box with list in it. So first of all we need to import a module that is from Tkinter import star. Now we'll be creating the frame that is root equal to tk. Then we'll be creating the shape of the Tkinter widget that is root.geometry, some 400 cross 300, and then we'll be creating the list box. So list box is equal to list box, there is a root, then height we are creating some height, and width, that is height 20, width is 25, and background gray, if you see the background is gray, and foreground is the blue color. Foreground of the text is blue color. You can create anything. Also you can have some font styles also. So I have taken here a simple one. Now label, so I will create a label that is programming languages. So label root, then text is equal to programming languages dot pack. So it will be packing over here. Now how to insert the list items in the list box. So this is how we will be doing it. List box dot insert, so it is list box dot insert at row number 1, that's Python. Then similarly to Java, 3, C#, 4, C, 5, .NET, 6, Ruby, you can have a number of items over here. And at the end we will be packing all the list items in the list box, and then we will be creating the loop, root dot closing with the root dot main loop. So this is how we will be creating a list box in a Tkinter widget. So this is a very simple one, and if you have any doubts you can always mail me into rafiqjava2@gmail.com for any queries regarding Tkinter widget. Hope you have liked my video. If so, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.